Welcome to where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, bringing you the latest reviews, comparisons, and insights. If you're passionate about bikes and want to stay updated, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified about our latest content. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2026 Maico 700, a machine that has garnered attention for its impressive specifications and performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, this review will provide you with all the information you need about this powerhouse. Maico, a brand with a rich history in the motorcycle industry, has once again captured the spotlight with the 2026 Maico 700. Known for their commitment to performance and innovation, Maico has designed this model to cater to both enthusiasts and professionals seeking a high-performance machine. At the heart of the Maico 700 lies a 685 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, delivering a staggering 78 horsepower. This power translates to a top speed of over 110 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest dirt bikes in its class. The engine's design ensures smooth power delivery and exceptional torque, providing riders with an exhilarating experience on any terrain. The Maico 700 is equipped with a white power upside-down front fork and a Maico twin-link rear suspension with a Riger shock absorber. This combination offers superior handling and stability, allowing riders to tackle rough terrains with confidence. The suspension system is designed to absorb shocks efficiently, ensuring a smooth ride even on challenging trails. Safety is paramount, and the Maico 700 doesn't disappoint. It features a MotoMaster Supermoto racing kit with a full-floating 320mm front disc and a Brembo 220mm rear disc. This high-performance braking system provides excellent stopping power, giving riders full control over their machine. The Maico 700 boasts a chrome molybdenum frame, known for its strength and durability. The bike's design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, with a sleek profile that reflects its high-performance capabilities. The 9.5-liter fuel tank ensures extended riding sessions without frequent refueling. Variants: Enduro, Supermoto, and Motocross. The 2026 Maico 700 comes in 3 variants to cater to different riding preferences. Enduro, designed for off-road enthusiasts, this variant offers enhanced ground clearance and a robust suspension system to handle rugged terrains. Supermoto, ideal for riders who enjoy a mix of on-road and off-road riding, the Supermoto variant features street-oriented tires and a refined suspension setup. Motocross, built for the racetrack, this variant is lightweight and optimized for high-speed performance on. The 2026 Maico 700 is positioned in the premium segment, with prices reflecting its advanced features and performance capabilities. While the exact pricing may vary based on the variant and region, it's important to note that Maico produces these bikes in limited numbers, making them exclusive and highly sought after. When compared to other high-performance dirt bikes like the Honda CR500, the Maico 700 stands out with its superior braking system, advanced suspension, and higher horsepower. While the CR500 is a formidable competitor, the Maico 700 offers more modern features and enhanced performance. In conclusion, the 2026 Maico 700 is a testament to Maico's commitment to delivering high-performance motorcycles. With its powerful engine, advanced suspension, and superior braking system, it promises an unmatched riding experience. Whether you're a professional rider or an enthusiast, the Maico 700 is a machine that demands attention. Thank you for watching this in-depth review of the 2026 Maico 700. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more reviews and updates on the latest in the motorcycle world. Until next time, keep the throttle open and ride safe.